Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can find your Spotify Wrapped on your computer. First, you need to go ahead and launch your Spotify application, log into your account, and you might see the Wrapped option over here, which is in the line of all music and podcast. If you do not see the Wrapped icon over here, go ahead, search for Wrapped, click on the search bar in the top, then search for Wrapped, and you might see your Wrapped of 2025 as soon as you search for it. You might see the artist, top songs, your most listened songs, and all. If you still do not find your Wrapped from the Spotify application, go ahead, open your web browser. Then from this page, simply search for spotify.com/wrapped. Go ahead, log into your account, and there you'll find the option of Wrapped. Or you might also see a QR code, scan it, and you're all set. If you still do not find your Wrapped from your computer, go ahead and use your mobile device to find your Wrapped of 2025 from the Spotify application from your phone. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.